How you guys doing? Welcome back to another edition of Eats with Fefe. And today we are making a tuna melt. Yes. So this is what I got. This little tuna here. Bipolar is 88 cents at the store. So I have some of this. This is celery, onion, and bell pepper. And so I have that in here. And in here, you guys, I have some mustard, mayo, and some relish. So we're going to chop this up. I gotta ask y'all some questions. We got a situation that went on today, at one of the baby's jobs, honey. So y'all tell me what y'all think. I tell you, like I said, you should do. Sorry about the noise, y'all. So I can't make it too wet because we gotta put it on this. So let me tell y'all a little bit about what happened. Okay, so my baby was at work, and supposedly a customer almost hit two of the other employees, and he jumped out the car. He said he looked to be about 30 years old. He jumped out the car and started cussing them out. So he went over there. My baby's a fairly big dude. He's might be like 6 feet tall, 240 pounds. So he said these are some small guys. So he told them, and I think they're teenagers. He told them just to come over with him and work with him until the guy leaves. So they were doing that, and then I guess somebody went in to complain because they saw that there was some type of altercation, or not something necessarily, but there was some type of argument or whatever. So the manager came out there, y'all, and was yelling and screaming at him, telling me, because he was getting ready to take his lunch break, to yelling and screaming, telling me that he can't take it. He needs to talk to him. He can't take a lunch break, but his lunch break is scheduled at a certain time. Now, my thing is this: when you are a manager, it is your responsibility to manage your employees. And if there's something that's going on, it is your responsibility to try to make sure that the safety of your employees is the first thing on the agenda. Safety is first. So, if there was a situation, you shouldn't run out and yell at your employees. Anyway, he wanted to tell him to clock out and go home. Okay, no big deal. We go get baby. But the thing is how you gonna tell him you from the streets and try to intimidate him, but you run up on him, but then you realize he a big dude too, and then you want to change your tone? I don't make no sense to me. That's kind of big, yo. That make no sense to me. You know, I mean, dang. Is it men have that much testosterone issues? I'm trying to get that side hot so it can start melting. But anywho, like I told my baby, I'm glad he didn't do anything because he's not that type of, he's not an aggressor. They really lay back and chill. They avoid drama at all costs. But Mama Bear wanna, but we're gonna do it the right way. We're gonna do it the right way. He's gonna talk to management, let them know tomorrow what happened and stuff. And I told him, if it's all on camera, you good. It's all on camera. You're good. Yeah. Especially if this manager has a history. Oh, that's good. Being unnecessarily overly aggressive. You know. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense to be getting that, technically these are still kids. You have to learn how to manage. When you hire teenagers, it's a different ball game than somebody who has work experience. You know what I'm saying? You just can't, skin's not a stick. I don't know what's going on with people nowadays, but I hope everything all works out. Because I tell baby just not to say anything, and, just let him know he didn't give you any direction on what you're supposed to do. The only thing you know is that you're supposed to take your lunch break, let's say at 5 o'clock. You're supposed to take your clock out and take your lunch break. Because, a lot of places will ding you. You get written up, points, and all that kind of stuff if you don't clock out at your scheduled time, it'd be a whole lot of mess. You know, so I just told him, you know, when he go talk to him, let him know that, you know, he didn't give me any direction. I didn't know what I was supposed to do because he didn't tell me. He didn't tell me to stop. He didn't tell me to take my break later. He didn't. He didn't give me any direction. He was just yelling. You know, I want to go into the stove. Yeah, I might be little, but let me tell you, I'm a thundercat. You don't have to be big and strong to cut people with words, honey. But what I cannot do is allow you to bully my babies. That he might not see me this week, but he will see me. He will see me. That he will. I'm not gonna do anything to him, but have a good old talk with him. You know, because as a manager, you're supposed to know, effectively know conflict resolution. And people just have a tendency to get these titles and they want to be bullies and all this kind of stuff. We just not about that life around here, y'all. We not about that life. But we sure gonna talk to him and let him know that that's not gonna work. That's not appropriate. That's not cool. It's not cool. And that behavior's gonna have to stop. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. I got a bright idea to put the foil on there. Toast up my bread some more. That worked. I got a little bit left. Yeah, this is good. It's light tuna and water. But yeah. 80 calories. It's only 2.25 ounces. Yeah, 2.25 ounces. So yeah. So that was an interesting evening. You know, baby's a very hard worker. That's all he wanted to do, just go to work and do his job. That's it. But I see we have somewhat of a bully on this team. You know, if he was 25 years old, I wouldn't go for the same thing. He just turned 18. I mean, turned 19, y'all. He's a kid. Mild mannered kid. Real sweet kid. I've been knowing these kids since they were 9 years old. And I cannot let this shit go down under my watch. Not gonna happen. So, we're gonna have to go and have a talk to him and ask him if he knows what conflict resolution is. And if he don't, maybe that's the training that he needs to go through. Because what we would not be doing is we would not be yelling and screaming at my babies. That ain't gonna help him. So yeah, let's tune him out. Now I can wait for it to cool out. You know, that's not what we do. You know, and his manager's probably ain't gonna tell him that. But I'm gonna let him know real quick. That's not cool. He's a young man trying to find his way in life. And you an older man, you think you just gonna bully him? Talk to him any kind of way? I knew something was wrong when he called my phone. When this baby called my phone, oh, that's hot, y'all. But that's pretty. Let me see. Get that closer to y'all. Y'all can see that beautifulness. Let's see how that. This is a bacon avocado tuna melt. Fefe style. Alright, y'all gotta let it cool down before I can eat it. So, we're gonna take a break. When it cool down, then we're gonna eat. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. And it's cooled off. Enough for me to handle. Let me show y'all that. Gonna be a thumbnail. So, let's get into this bite. Still so warm. Just cut my bread a little thinner. Oh. Well, y'all, let me bring y'all back over here. Bring y'all back over here. I'm having some technical difficulties today. Turn on the charger. Okay. Try again and get into the bite. I think that's the bacon. Oh, yep, that was the bacon. Anywho, at such a young age, you still have to deal with that kind of stuff. But it is what it is. It's a learning opportunity of what not to do. And how not to talk to people. That's good. So this is a bacon avocado tuna melt. And this is one of the sandwiches that's going up on the challenge started by the I Love Lisa Michelle show. Challenge to eat 5 to 7 salads, a sandwich a day for 5 to 7 days. That bacon is setting it off. It's a $2 sandwich. Not even that. $1.50. So let me know in the comment section what y'all think. Or have you experienced anything like that? It's late night, y'all. Time for me to go to bed. Y'all went on my home visits and I almost had 2 dates, y'all. One was trying to take me out to eat. Another one's trying to take me to the bar. Pretty done good, y'all. Two starting to act up here. Sitting in that air conditioner. Okay. Excuse me, y'all. If you made this fun video, drop me some yellow stars. Let me know what you thought about this video. If you got any ads, let me know the type of ads you got. It'd be greatly appreciated. And remember, be blessed, stay blessed, and be a blessing to somebody else. Smile at somebody today. You may change their world. You just never know what they're going through. And it's free. So until next time, my YouTube fam, don't forget to go to the community page. I've asked some questions about naming the family members. And also about a schedule. Y'all check it out if you want to and let me know what you think. Until next time, peace.